All right, time to take the L. I'm taking the L. Kind of a bummer, but I need to go. So we're heading up to Kona Skatepark, and yeah, L's happen. You gotta take some L's every once in a while, you know. Shit doesn't work out perfectly. This isn't LA, apparently. It's a lot harder to get people on the East Coast to do stuff than I thought it would be. In LA, it was just like so easy. But you know, good things are coming. I can feel it. I can feel it. So to Kona Skatepark, then up to North Carolina, and yeah, it's 2 in the morning. We're officially at Kona, and I need to find a place to park. I know for damn sure there ain't security here because we're in a pretty shitty neighborhood. And looking at this is really funny. Just like, this is the first skate park in the world, or at least in the United States, I'm pretty sure. It's the world's oldest skate park. It's not the first. It's the oldest one that is still running. Sorry. But I think the world. But yeah. Everybody always asks me, like, have you been here? Have you done this? Have you done that? Have you been to the Grand Canyon? Have you been to fucking Yosemite? Have you done this? Have you done that? Did you go to Yellowstone? And I always just say, nah, but I went to some pretty cool skate parks. Well, as a skateboard nerd, this is huge for me. Going to the first skate park. I'm so excited. It's 2 in the morning. I need to go find a place to sleep and then wake up early tomorrow. And I'm pretty sure you have to pay to ride here, which I am more than happy to do. So, yeah. We're here at Kona Park. About to go in and do some skateboards. Is your name Mike? Yeah. Okay, cool. The skate park kind of blows, but it's just like historic and rad. So apparently, I think this park was built in 1977, and the coping back then for like half pipes and whatnot, they used PVC. So look at this. First off, this is like the most vertical. It's a vert ramp. That's PVC. That's the coping. That's so sick. Good? Yeah. Ow. That's the worst thing that could happen. So after I fell, I kind of got tired and hungry. So I went back to my RV, in my parking lot, in the parking lot, right there. And yeah, just took Steve for a walk. Gonna eat and get back out there. I want to get some footage of me actually riding, like some of the cool features. So yeah. You good? Yeah. Yo. All right, dudes, just got done at Kona. Couldn't land anything. I got a few tricks, but I couldn't land the trick that I was trying to do. I was trying to do a nollie backside big spin on this one bank, and I couldn't do it. But you know what? It's okay. It's what happens. I actually kind of hurt my wrist, but anyway, it was really fun to go to Kona. If you're about skateboarding and you want to visit a piece of skateboarding history, go to Kona if you're ever in Jacksonville, Florida, because it's the world's oldest skate park. It has been running since 1977, and you can actually tell a lot that it's pretty old when you're skating it. Like, it isn't the greatest skate park, but it makes up for it because of how cool it is to be at the oldest skate park in the world. So, you know, the park isn't amazing. There's a lot of wooden ramps that shouldn't be there because it's Florida, and there's a lot of just wavy concrete and whatnot. You can tell that it was, you know, done by hand and it's not professional, but it's fun. It's like the coolest obstacles you'll ever be able to skate because it is one of a kind, built in 1977. So there's a lot of really cool features that you won't be able to find anywhere else. If you're really about skateboarding and you really want to see something cool, some cool skateboard history, go to Kona when you're in Jacksonville, Florida, for sure. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram at HILO_pod and at myhousehaswheels. Subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of videos coming. I have a lot of videos planned, and I have a lot of videos already done. So if you want to see me travel around the country interviewing people and hitting up skate parks and doing all sorts of interesting stuff along the way, hit that subscribe button, dude. Hit a thumbs up. Freaking do all the YouTube stuff, please. And thank you so much for watching. Peace.